There's one more gift I'd ask of you, Lord. It would be peace here on earth. As children, when will we realize that neither heaven is or peace? When we live not in peace, there's one more gift I'd ask of you, Lord. It would be peace here on earth. As gentle as your children's laughter all around, all around. Grant me serenity within, for the confusions around are mere reflections of what's within, what's within me. There's one more gift I'd ask of you, Lord. It would be peace.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, magilag ang tula at awit sa paglaya.
Antagaoya, a junior student, as she welcomes us in this evening affair. Shall we give her a warm of applause?
Mrs. Sofia R. Basalo, President of Agro-Industrial Foundation College of the Philippines. Mrs. Bernadette Aguilar, our school administrator. Mrs. Violeta G. Tapiolo, High School Day Principal. Mr. Julian P. Geiger, Sunday High School Principal. Junior and senior advisors, faculty members, staff, visitors and friends, good evening. It is indeed a great privilege and honor to have you here to grace this momentous occasion. It is our desire that everyone will enjoy it too, as well as this institution. For as long as we are given this great opportunity, let's cherish every moment of tonight's occasion. So, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of the juniors, I warmly welcome you all and be witness to this gracious event of our high school life. The juniors and seniors from 2009. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Zagahoyo, for such a wonderful address. Juniors, seniors, do please rise for our opening song entitled You and Me.
What days are, tell me what mornings I've never seen so alive. I can't give up, I can't back down, we'll sing so much time. It's you
take your seats. That was a very touching song, Gwen.
Can you tell me, Nico, what the song means to you?
Just simply say, you and me. Honestly, can you feel me trembling?
I never felt that. Can you tell me why?
Because I'm here standing with a lovely and beautiful lady.
Ah, Nico, you look also gorgeous tonight. By the way, Nico, let us give now the floor to our energetic principal, Mrs. Violeta G. Tabiolo, for her words of wisdom. Shall we give her a warm applause?
Our school administrator, Mrs. Bernadette Aguilar, second mate, Bernie Aguilar, to our handsome and energetic principal in Sunday High School, Mr. Jordan Geiger, to faculty members, staff, students, good evening. Tonight, we are gathered here for the very significant and memorable occasion of the junior and senior. It is on this occasion that the seniors, before leaving the portals of their beloved alma mater, learn the key of responsibility to their successor. The juniors who are expected to carry and continue the unfinished task. This is the night when the seniors encourage and motivate the juniors to pursue in their educational journey to reach their goals in life by giving their prophecies. This is also a night to cherish because tonight they will experience their first formal dance. At alam ko ang mga isa't isa sa inyo ay kilig sapagkat may sasayaw na nila ang kanilang crush, di ba? Okay. So the young ladies look lovely and gorgeous with their elegant gowns, while the young gentlemen appear smart and debonair with their expensive outfit. As your principal, I am amazed and I am impressed the way you look tonight. I am very proud of you, as well as your teachers who committed their time and effort. At iginagagalak ko makita kayong masaya, lalong-lalo na kung katabi ninyo ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay, di ba? Okay. Ngunit, mas mahalaga na maging matiyaga kayo sa pag-aaral. Maging matatag kahit ano pang mangyaring o dumarating na mga problema sa ating buhay. At higit sa lahat,
Thank you, Ma'am Violi, for your inspiring words. We will be going to remember that always.
It is now the time where the key of responsibility by J. Mark Camparihan, a senior officer, handed over to the equal junior officer, Miss Ina Janine Obispo. Let us give a hand on them.
Say that in every occasion has a purpose, and every step has a destination to reach. This evening is a solemn moment for us to reflect on. A special time for us seniors to reminisce all the experience that we had in the past, it may be positive or negative, and realize that those accomplishments give us more credit and somehow encourage us to have a wider plan and do the task in the right manner as we move onward to the next millennium. This key of responsibility, a key